welcome to Bree's Room. I know it's been a while, but I've just been so busy with work and stuff like that. And I know that's no excuse, but I'm just trying here. So I finally got my order from Sephora, which is right here. The Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Okay? But this is made by Huda Beauty, my all-time favorite makeup creator, I want to say. Pretty much one of my favorite influencers, but I'm sure you guys know that by now. That's my girl. Yes, I've just heard so many like wonderful things about this. One of my biggest things with my skin is how uneven, or like the tone is just uneven. So like, I'm hoping that this creates a big difference. I will say that I tried this already on my boyfriend, but I didn't try it on me on purpose so that I can do it in front of you guys. You can see this is my really quick makeup because I woke up super late and I was tired and I was like, let me get stuff away. So I'm gonna remove all this stuff, put this on, and show you guys, the difference. If you guys like have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment below. If you really wanna try it yourself, I suggest doing it, even though I didn't try it yet. But it looked good on him, so I'm pretty sure it'll look good on me, hopefully. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. My God, it's so refreshing. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the finished result, and I just gotta say that this is probably the best my skin has ever looked. And I probably look crazy right now, but still, I got this. It's in my jeans. We just got dark like under eyes, but I do gotta say, like, it makes my skin like so much brighter, like immediately. And oh my God, it just looks good. Hey, this is like great. This is great. So what I rate this item is a 10 out of 10. I'm definitely gonna keep up with the amount of times you're supposed to do it, because she said 1 to 2 times a week, but I know that she said she does it more. So we'll see. But I think I'm gonna keep it to 2 times a week. I love the fact that she's standing behind showing your natural skin too, along with having like bomb makeup, just saying. But yes, I recommend this definitely to anybody who has dryish skin. I have combination skin. But yeah, if you're planning on getting something for your skin, something to try, definitely get this one. Definitely. Okay? Okay. But yeah, again, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah. Okay. Love you guys.